and of course, my editorials in Stockman Grass Farmer are certainly my hardest hitting, really agricultural thinking. And so, and there is a digital version of that. You can get a digital subscription to the Stockman Grass Farmer, so you get my my long editorial every month. But that's kind of my where I'm where I'm going, and I write articles for Plain Values magazine. There's a new one just starting up, Homestead Living, and there's another one starting up, Homesteaders of America. I mean, it's just exploding, this whole thing, and so yeah, you can keep up with me there, and of course our website. If there's stuff going on, it'll be on the website. Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much, Joel. And definitely I've got plenty of notes now. I'm going to go implement this in the farm, and I'll let you know. And 6 months, we'll send you a message.
Okay, great. Okay, thanks. We'll look forward to seeing that.
Talk to you soon.
All right, thanks. Take care.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.